The story of the Norse settlement in Greenland is one of the most enduring mysteries in archaeological history. Around 985 AD, Eric the Red, a Norse explorer, established the first permanent European settlement on the island. He named the land Greenland to attract more settlers, a clever piece of ancient marketing. Two main settlements emerged, the Eastern Settlement and the Western Settlement. At their peak, these communities may have numbered around 3,000 to 5,000 inhabitants. They built churches, farmed, and hunted, attempting to replicate their Scandinavian way of life. For centuries, the Norse thrived, adapting to the harsh Arctic environment. Their economy relied heavily on trade with Europe, primarily exporting walrus ivory, polar bear pelts, and falcons. Ships would make the perilous journey across the North Atlantic, connecting Greenland to the wider world. However, by the early 15th century, contact ceased, and the settlements vanished. The last written records from the Greenland Norse date to 1408 AD. What happened to these resilient people remains a subject of intense debate and research. One prominent theory points to climate change, specifically the onset of the Little Ice Age. Temperatures dropped significantly, making farming and livestock raising increasingly difficult. The growing season shortened, and pastures became less productive. This environmental shift would have severely strained their food supply. Another factor was the decline in trade with Europe. The demand for walrus ivory, a key export, decreased as elephant ivory became more readily available. This economic downturn would have isolated the Greenlanders further. The Black Death, which ravaged Europe in the mid-14th century, also played a role. It decimated populations and disrupted trade routes, making voyages to distant Greenland less feasible. The Greenland Norse were at the very edge of the known world, dependent on these connections. Relations with the indigenous Inuit people are also considered. The Norse and Inuit had different ways of life and resource utilization. While initial interactions might have been peaceful, evidence suggests increasing tensions. The Inuit were better adapted to the changing Arctic climate, particularly in hunting seals. The Norse, clinging to their European farming traditions, struggled to adapt to a more marine-based diet. Archaeological findings reveal a shift in Norse diet over time, with more marine resources. However, this adaptation may have been too little, too late. Skeletal remains from Norse graves show signs of malnutrition and disease. This indicates a population under severe stress. The last known burial in the Eastern Settlement occurred around 1410 AD. The Western Settlement, being smaller and more isolated, likely succumbed earlier. Some historians propose a gradual decline, with people slowly dying off or migrating. There is no evidence of a sudden catastrophic event, like a massacre or a plague. The mystery is not just about their disappearance, but the lack of a clear explanation. Modern scientific techniques are shedding new light on the past. Ice core samples provide detailed climate records, confirming the cooling trend. DNA analysis of ancient remains could reveal genetic links and migration patterns. The Norse saga of Greenland serves as a cautionary tale about human vulnerability to environmental change. It highlights the delicate balance between human ingenuity and natural forces. Ruins of their farms and churches stand as silent monuments to their struggle. These structures are slowly being reclaimed by the land. The Eastern Settlement, near modern-day Qaqortoq, was the larger of the two. It contained the bishopric of Gargar, a significant religious center. The Western Settlement was located further north, in the Nuuk Fjord area. Life in Greenland was always challenging. even during warmer periods. The Norse brought European livestock, cattle, sheep, goats, and pigs. These animals required significant fodder, which was difficult to produce. They also cultivated barley, but yields were often poor. Hunting caribou and seals supplemented their diet. The shift to colder conditions would have impacted both farming and hunting. Sea ice increased, making navigation and trade more hazardous. The journey from Norway became increasingly difficult and infrequent. The last known ship to visit Greenland from Norway was in 1410 AD. This marked the effective end of regular contact. The Greenland Norse were a deeply religious community. Their churches and graveyards are among the most well-preserved archaeological sites. These sites offer poignant glimpses into their lives and beliefs. Mystery continues to captivate historians and the public alike. It serves as a powerful reminder of the fragility of human settlements. The Norse saga is a testament to their incredible resilience and determination. They pushed the boundaries of European expansion into the Arctic. Their story is etched into the very landscape of Greenland. The exact sequence of events leading to their demise remains elusive. Was it a combination of factors? A perfect storm of challenges? Most researchers agree that it was likely a multi-causal collapse. The Norse were not alone in facing environmental shifts. Other European settlements also experienced difficulties during the Little Ice Age. However, Greenland's extreme isolation made it particularly vulnerable. The lack of a rescue mission, or later, attempts to re-establish contact, is also puzzling. Perhaps the memory of the distant colony simply faded. Or perhaps the dangers of the journey became too great. The story of the lost colony continues to inspire new research. Scientists are using advanced techniques to analyze ancient pollen and insect remains. These provide clues about past vegetation and climate conditions. Study of animal bones from archaeological sites reveals dietary changes. It shows a gradual shift from terrestrial to marine resources. The Norse were slow to adopt Inuit hunting technologies, like the harpoon. This cultural conservatism may have contributed to their downfall. The saga of the Greenland Norse is a complex tapestry of environmental, economic, and social factors. It reminds us that even the most resilient communities can be vulnerable. The mystery of their disappearance continues to resonate today. It prompts questions about our own adaptability in a changing world. The Norse legacy in Greenland is not entirely lost. Their ruins are protected and studied. They offer invaluable insights into human history and adaptation. The story of the lost colony is a powerful narrative. It speaks to the challenges of pioneering new frontiers and the unforgiving nature of the Arctic. The Norse were skilled navigators and explorers. Their voyages across the North Atlantic were remarkable feats. Greenland was their most ambitious overseas venture. The initial success of the settlements was a testament to their ingenuity. They built homes, churches, and communal structures. Their society was hierarchical, with chieftains and a bishop. The bishopric of Gargar was directly under the Archbishop of Nidaros in Norway. This connection to the wider Christian world was important. But as contact dwindled, so did this spiritual link. The archaeological record provides the most tangible evidence of their lives. Excavations have uncovered tools, pottery, and personal items. These objects tell stories of their daily routines and struggles. The mystery of the lost colony is a puzzle with many missing pieces. Each new discovery adds a small fragment to the larger picture. But a complete answer may forever elude us. The story serves as a powerful reminder of the dynamic relationship between humans and their environment. It underscores the importance of adaptability and resourcefulness. The Norse in Greenland faced challenges that tested the limits of their endurance. Their eventual disappearance is a testament to the unforgiving nature of the Arctic and the interconnectedness of global systems. The decline in European trade, for example, had far-reaching consequences. Little Ice Age was a global phenomenon, but its impact was particularly severe in the high latitudes. The Norse were at the very edge of their ecological niche. Their reliance on European agricultural practices proved unsustainable. The Inuit, with their deep knowledge of Arctic survival, thrived. This contrast highlights the importance of local adaptation. The mystery of the lost colony continues to inspire fascination. It is a story of ambition, resilience, and ultimately, disappearance. The silence that followed their last known records is profound. No distress calls, no final messages. Just an abrupt cessation of contact. The Greenland Norse simply faded from the European consciousness, until later expeditions rediscovered their ruins. The story of the lost colony is a testament to the power of nature and the limits of human endurance. It serves as a poignant reminder of past civilizations and the mysteries that still lie buried. Norse saga in Greenland is a compelling chapter in human history. A story of courage, adaptation, and ultimately, a quiet disappearance. The ruins whisper tales of a bygone era and the enduring questions they pose. The mystery of the lost colony continues to inspire. It is a powerful narrative of human endeavor and the profound impact of environmental change. The Norse were pioneers, pushing the boundaries of their world. Their settlements in Greenland were a remarkable achievement, but the Arctic proved to be an ultimately unforgiving host. The story of their demise is a complex interplay of factors. Climate, trade, and cultural adaptation all played a role. The archaeological evidence is crucial to understanding their fate. It provides tangible links to their lives and the challenges they faced. The mystery of the lost colony remains a compelling subject. It reminds us of the ebb and flow of human history and the enduring power of the natural world. The Norse in Greenland were a testament to human courage. They ventured into the unknown and established a foothold in a harsh land. Their story is a powerful lesson about the limits of human adaptation and the consequences of environmental shifts. The mystery of their disappearance continues to intrigue. It is a narrative that transcends time and speaks to the universal human experience. Norse saga in Greenland is a compelling historical enigma, a tale of ambition, struggle, and ultimate silence. The ruins stand as silent witnesses to a civilization that once thrived and then vanished. The mystery of the lost colony of Greenland endures, a powerful reminder of the past and the lessons it holds for the future. The Norse were not defeated by a single enemy, but by a confluence of environmental and social pressures. Their story is a microcosm of larger historical trends. The resilience of human spirit is evident in their long survival, but even the strongest can be overwhelmed. The mystery of the lost colony continues to inspire research and captivate imaginations. It is a timeless tale of humanity's enduring struggle with nature and the profound impact of change. The Norse in Greenland left behind a legacy of questions and a powerful narrative of human endeavor. Their story is a testament to the human spirit's drive to explore and adapt, but also to the limits of that adaptation. The mystery of the lost colony of Greenland remains a compelling chapter in the annals of human history. The Norse were not simply victims of circumstance. Their choices and cultural practices also played a role. The reluctance to fully embrace marine resources is a key point. Despite the abundance of seals and fish, their European identity was deeply tied to farming and livestock raising. This cultural inertia proved costly. As the climate shifted, the mystery of the lost colony is a multifaceted puzzle, with no single, simple answer. It is a story that continues to evolve as new archaeological and scientific data emerge. The Norse saga in Greenland is a powerful reminder of the delicate balance between human society and the natural world, the profound consequences when that balance is disrupted. The mystery of the lost colony of Greenland remains a compelling historical narrative, a testament to human ambition and the enduring power of the Arctic. Their story is a cautionary tale about the limits of human expansion and the importance of adaptability. The Norse in Greenland were a unique experiment in colonizing a marginal environment. Their eventual failure offers valuable lessons for understanding past and future human-environment interactions. The mystery of the lost colony continues to resonate, a powerful narrative of human resilience and the profound impact of climate change. The Norse saga in Greenland is a compelling historical puzzle whose pieces are still being assembled. It is a story that invites contemplation about the fragility of civilization and the enduring power of the natural world. The mystery of the lost colony of Greenland remains a testament to human courage and vulnerability. Their story is a powerful reminder of the past and the lessons it holds for the future. The Norse were not simply victims of circumstance. Their choices and cultural practices also played a role. Their reluctance to fully embrace marine resources is a key point. Despite the abundance of seals and fish, their European identity was deeply tied to farming and livestock raising. This cultural inertia proved costly. As the climate shifted, the mystery of the lost colony is a multifaceted puzzle with no single, simple answer. It is a story that continues to evolve as new archaeological and scientific data emerge. The Norse saga in Greenland is a powerful reminder of the delicate balance between human society and the natural world, and the profound consequences when that balance is disrupted. The mystery of the lost colony of Greenland remains a compelling historical narrative, a testament to human ambition and the enduring power of the Arctic. Their story is a cautionary tale about the limits of human expansion and the importance of adaptability. Norse in Greenland were a unique experiment in colonizing a marginal environment. Their eventual failure offers valuable lessons for understanding past and future human-environment interactions. The mystery of the lost colony continues to resonate, a powerful narrative of human resilience and the profound impact of climate change. Norse saga in Greenland is a compelling historical puzzle whose pieces are still being assembled. It is a story that invites contemplation about the fragility of civilization and the enduring power of the natural world. The mystery of the lost colony of Greenland remains a testament to human courage and vulnerability.